What's up guys, it's Bailey, and in this video I'll be going over one of the best microphones on the market today. Are you looking to start recording commentaries or vocals on a budget, but still want the professional sound? Well, look no further. In this video I will review the Blue Yeti microphone, which is the #1 USB microphone on the market today. The Blue Yeti microphone is advertised as the ultimate professional USB microphone. I will let you guys be the judge of that statement. On the front of the microphone, it comes with a mute button. When it is blinking, it is on, and when it is solid, it is off. There's also a volume knob on the front of the microphone, so if you want to monitor your voice, you can do it through the headphone jack at the bottom of the Yeti, which I will show you in a little bit. On the back, it features a gain knob to adjust the sensitivity of the recording. There's also a pattern knob with 4 different recording patterns. These patterns are stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. So on the bottom right here, on the left side, there's a USB section where you can plug it in to power up the microphone. On the right side, there's that headphone jack to monitor your voice when you're doing recordings. And then on the very middle, that is where you can attach the arm to the microphone itself. The mic quality of this video has been recorded on the Yeti itself, so you guys can have your own judgment on whether this microphone sounds good or bad. Even though this microphone sounds amazing, the microphone is still far from perfect. The microphone is very sensitive to sound, so you would need to adjust the gain to make it fit your environment. The Blue Yeti is the #1 selling microphone for a reason. The company Blue designed this microphone for people wanting to get into commentaries and podcasts. If you would like to purchase this microphone, I will link it down below with the lowest pricing for the product. Last but not least, don't forget to thumbs up and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all about the Blue Yeti, leave it in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.